first graders. You probably don't recognize them since they look like wild animals. We started this project back in January. They had to research an animal. They wrote a speech as if they were the animal, and then they worked really hard with their moms and dads, and they memorized their speeches. So I'm going to pass the mic to them. They're going to explain what you guys are going to do tonight.
On the end.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our living zoo. Tonight, we take you to the most unique zoo that you ever have seen. You will hear from some of the world's most fabulous animals. We hope you learn a lot about them. We sure did. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are in for a real treat. Tonight you will see anything from a tiny black little spider to a big tough elephant. Don't forget about the platypuses. I want to see the hummingbird. There are exhibits all the way down the school hallway on both floors. You have about 20 minutes to level make sure you get to see everyone. Listen for the intercom. The zookeepers will let you know when it's time to come back. Please come back to the gym. We don't want you to get locked in with wild animals. You may walk through the zoo as you wish. We will fight for you to spread out in little bits and live with. It makes the animals nervous. We don't want you to startle the rabbit or tarantula. We don't forget to grab a program before you leave the gym. Notice large buttons, black buttons on the wall. Exhibits will come alive when you press the black buttons. Please don't touch the animals. They might shock you. Please remember that Christmas is here. We ask that you have a quiet, good house. We know you will have a great, wonderful time.
All right, we're gonna let them get a head start.
I am a red panda, and I got my name before the great pandas. And my favorite fruit is bamboo, and I live at the mountains of Asia. I am a killer whale. I'm also called a orca. I live in the ocean. I like to eat octopus, squid, and other fish. I talk to other orcas in our own language. My brain weighs 15 pounds. I must be really smart. I also scare away sharks.
Can you guess what I am? I am a desert fox. I live in the hot, dry Sahara Desert. I love to eat meat because I am a carnivore. I have big ears to hear my prey. I can also use them to hear my prey underground. I am nocturnal, so I can see and be active at night. I am a sea otter. I live in coastal Alaska. My favorite foods are shrimp, sea urchins, scallops, and squid. I store my tools in a loose patch of skin in my armpit. Groups of me are called rafts.
I am a beautiful butterfly. I live in warm, open areas. We like to eat sweet nectar from flowers. Something interesting about me is that I use my feet to taste what we actually have 4 wings, not 2. What most people think, guess what? Our wings are even see-through. We also see colors that people can't. I am a zebra. I am a mammal. I live in Eastern Africa. I like to eat red oak grass. We are all unique because we each have a different stripe pattern. We can see in color, but we can't see the color orange. Weird. When you see us in a herd, we are called a dazzle.
I am a jaguar. I live in caves in Mexico. I'll eat any kind of meat I can find, and I live in groups called prowls. I'm one of the biggest wildcats in the world. I live in groups called prowls.
I am a snapping turtle. I can live to be 150 years old. I'm a reptile. I can eat anything I can swallow, but my favorites are fish, plants. I like to relax and move very slowly. I am a sea turtle. I live in every ocean basin. I like to eat fish, crabs, but jellyfish is my favorite. I can hold my breath for 5 hours. That's a really long time, right? And I can get attracted to my shells like other turtles. I can live up to be 100 years old. That's amazing, right?
Can you guess what I am? I am a bat. I live in a dark cave. I eat juicy bugs. Did you know that we're the only flying mammal? Groups of us are called a colony. We also are nocturnal and so we can see and be active at night.
we pollinate flowers. My favorite thing about being a bat that we get to sweep. Upside down. Isn't that cool? I am a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I can live to be up to 10 to 50 years old. I like to be in the trees. I am called a omnivore, which means I eat meat and plants. There are 260 different kinds of monkeys on Earth. Did you know that I have fingerprints just like you? I stay away from snakes. They scare me.
I am a kangaroo. I live in Australia where it is very hot. I eat green, crunchy grass and leaves. My babies are called berries, and I am a flower because I am a female. When we travel together in a group, we are called a mob. We keep our babies in our pouches to keep them warm. Did you know that we cannot jump backwards? I am also really fast and can jump really far and high. I can hop at 35 miles per hour, leap up 6 feet off the ground, and cover 25 feet in a single bound. I can also use my tail as a fifth leg. Did you know that most of us are left-handed? How cool is that?
I am a lemur. Girls like me are called princesses and boys are called dictators. I am a mammal. I am one of the most endangered mammals in the world. I live in Madagascar. I range to find leaves, flowers, and bark and small invertebrates to eat. My babies are called pups.
I am a rabbit. I live in grasslands, hot deserts, forests, and wetlands. I like to munch on green grass, hard twigs, and plants. When I am happy, I like to hop. Our male rabbits are called a buck, and us female rabbits are called does. I also sleep. My teeth never stop growing. I also sleep with my eyes open. When I am angry, I talk to the other rabbits in our special anger language. Do you want to know something cool about us? Our ears can almost turn in a full circle.
I'm a chameleon. I live in rainforests and deserts in Africa. I love to eat insects like crunchy crickets. There are 160 different species of us. Want to know something cool? I have eyes in the back of my head. One eye can be looking one way, while the other eye looks the other way. The most interesting thing about me is my tongue is very powerful. It can be as long as my body. I can also change colors to hide from predators.
I am a hammerhead shark. I get my name from my mallet-shaped head. I can grow to lengths of 13 to 20 feet and weigh up to 500 pounds. I'm one of the top 10 deadliest sharks. I eat fish, stingrays, and other sharks. When I swim, I turn my head left and right so I can see in all directions. This is hard because my eyes are on the sides of my head. I live in the tropical oceans of the world.
Ooh, ooh, I'm an owl. I live in the forest and eat mice and birds. Did you know that there are 200 different species of owls? I have big eyes, a flat face, and I can spin my head around. I am a nocturnal bird, which means I like to be out at night.
I am a lion. I live in the savannas of Africa. I eat 16 pounds of meat a day. My favorite meals are zebras, gazelles, and wildebeest. I am a mammal and the second largest cat on Earth. I am so loud that you can hear my roar be heard 5 miles away. I am a very fast runner. I can get up to 50 miles per hour.
I am a koala. Even though some people call me a koala bear, I am not a bear. I'm a marsupial. I live in Australia. I love to munch on eucalyptus leaves. A group of us is called a colony. I'm very sleepy, probably because I sleep 18 hours to 22 hours a day. Good night.
I am a snake. Some snakes like me are poisonous. Snakes are found on every continent but Antarctica. I hunt animals for their meat. I am a cold-blooded reptile.
I am a goat. Meh. I like to eat hay, grass, grain, and tree bark, but one of my favorites is poison ivy. I am called a buck. A girl is called a doe. A baby is called a kid. We have more twins than people. I am a mammal. I was the first animal to be tamed by people.
I am a crocodile. I'm a cousin of a dinosaur. I eat fish, frogs, and birds. I got hollow teeth and carry my babies in my mouth. Can you guess what I am? I am a platypus. I live in Australia in a cool murky river. I like to eat slimy bugs and worms. We have a big bill, just like a duck. Do you want to know something interesting? We send electrical impulses through our bill, and we also have waterproof fur, and we are also great swimmers.
Snap. I'm an alligator. I have a very powerful bite. Did you know I can run up 35 miles per hour? I live in dirty swamps. I eat fish and snakes. I am a reptile and the loudest one in the world. A group of us is called a congregation. I can't survive in salt water.
I am a hummingbird. You can find me in eastern North America. I can do something no other bird can do. I can fly backwards. Pretty cool, huh? I have no sense of smell. I am very tiny. I weigh less than a nickel. A group of us is called a bouquet.
I am a macaroni penguin. I am one of 17 different kinds of penguins. I live on the ice of Antarctica. I will lay my egg and leave it with Dad for safety while I go hunt for fish, squid, and krill. Then I come back to feed my chicks so Dad can go and eat.
I am a flamingo. I like to stand on one foot. I am an omnivore who likes to eat both algae and shrimp. I get my pink color from what I eat. There are 6 different kinds of flamingos. We all like to live in the shallow waters where it is warm and sunny. I dance to find my husband, and our babies called chicklets. I'm a tarantula. I like to eat bugs. I live on the ground, so I don't need a web. I can't live with other tarantulas because we try to eat each other. I don't mind if I live with frogs. My boys live to be 7 years old, but I live to be 30. Babies are called spiderlings.
I'm a Arctic wolf.
I live in the extremely cold tundra.
I live in the extremely cold tundra.
I have double thick fur to keep me warm.
I have double thick fur to keep me warm.
I am a carnivore,
I'm a carnivore.
and I like to eat other animals like caribou.
I like to eat animals like caribou.
I can weigh up to 150 pounds
I can weigh up to 150 pounds
and run 40 miles per hour.
and run 40 miles per hour.
I'm a wolf. I'm so fast I can run at 36, 38 miles per hour. Whoa, that is fast. I live in forest, grasslands, and tundras. I have 42 very sharp teeth. With those teeth, I love to eat lots of meat. I can live up to 13 years. Our babies are called pups. They are born deaf and blind, with bright blue eyes. Our eyes can see and glow in the dark, which helps me find my prey. How cool is that?
I am a deer. I live in the woods. There are more than 43 different kinds of deer. I will live anywhere but Antarctica. All deer have antlers except Chinese deer who have fangs. My family and I are called a herd. I like to snack on grass, acorns, and nuts.
I am a crested gecko. I live in the rainforest of New Caledonia. I eat crunchy insects and juicy fruit. I am crepuscular, meaning I am active at dawn and dusk. Want to know something cool? I have no eyelids, so I lick my eyeballs to keep them from drying out. I am arboreal, meaning I would rather climb high than have an open floor space. When I am scared, I drop my tail to distract my predator. Unlike other geckos, mine will not go back. Then I am known as a frog butt.
I am a panda. I live in the mountains of China. I love to eat crunchy green bamboo. I eat up to 26 to 84 pounds per day. Unlike other bears, us pandas do not hibernate. Our babies are called panda cubs, and they are pink. I can live up to 20 years. Do you want to know something interesting? We have 6 fingers.
Can you guess what I am? I am a black-water spider. I live in urban areas, black forests, deserts, and grasslands. I love to eat crunchy insects. Like, we have a red alligator stripe on our backs. We ain't always black. My venom is 15% times more poisonous than a rattlesnake. The amount of venom I carry, I inject with one bite, usually isn't fatal for humans. We don't see very well, so we use our web to feel our prey. I am a dolphin. I live in the warm ocean. I eat fish. I live in the warm ocean. I'm very friendly and smart. Also, I help sick dolphins in my pot, and I look like a mammal. I look like a fish, but I'm a mammal. I am a camel. There are 3 different kinds of camel. I live in deserts of Middle East Africa. I am a mammal. I live in a hood. I can live for 40 to 50 years. I am surprisingly fast and can go without water for up to 3 weeks. I am a bear. I live in the dark, grassy forest. We love to eat slimy fish. I am so fast I can run up to 35 miles per hour. I am also a fantastic swimmer. I also have great night vision. I can see up to about 35 yards away. Want to know something interesting about me? I have a 4-chamber heart. This allows highly efficient supply of oxygenated blood to all parts of my body. I am an elephant. I eat twigs, leaves, grass, and fruit. My babies are called cats. My babies are born blind. We're mammals. We live as a family hood in Africa. I even like to show affection by my family members with my trunk. I am a polar bear. I live in the icy Arctic. I can grow to be up to 8 feet tall, weigh as much as 1,600 pounds. My babies are called cubs. My favorite food is sea lions. I am a poison dark frog. I start life as a tadpole, but I lose my tail and grow legs as I get older. We are some of the most colorful animals in the world. We live in the rainforest in South America. I am so poisonous that I can be used to poison 50 darts all by myself. I get all my poison from the termites that I eat. I am a giraffe. I am yellow with brown spots. I live in the grasslands of Africa. I am the tallest mammal on Earth. I can run as fast as 35 miles per hour. My babies are called calves. I eat leaves from tall trees. I am a cheetah. I live in Africa, where it is very hot. I am the fastest animal on the earth. I can run up to 50 to 80 miles per hour. I can reach that speed in 3 seconds. I can only live up to 17 years old. Us female cheetahs live alone except when we are raising our cubs. Did you know that we are the only big cats that do not roar? Currently, there are only 7,000 to 13,000 cheetahs left in the wild.
I am a hawk. I am a bird and a predator. I eat my animals, other birds and reptiles. Sometimes I fight with other hawks in the air over food. I have a great eyesight which helps me find my food from the air. When I dive, I can reach speeds up to 150 miles per hour. When I do cool tricks in the sky, when I want to find a girlfriend.
I'm Fox Evan, which I'm able to make 40 different sounds. I eat rabbits, mice, and frogs. I have good hearing so you can't sneak up on me. I eat rabbits, mice, and frogs. I like to be alone, but I love to play.
All right. I know that 20 minutes is not very long, but these kiddos are hot, and I don't want them to get overheated. So I'm very sorry if you were not able to make it to every single one. There are a lot of you here. We appreciate that, but they just get way too hot. All right, they've got a little closing thing for you guys, and then I'll give you some more information. Here we go.
I hope you enjoy our living zoo. I know that we all love performing for you. Hopefully you might have even learned something. I know we sure did. Thank you for coming and being a part of our learning. We hope that everyone can stay for a little bit and celebrate with us. Also, don't forget the perfect picture opportunity. Thank you to our moms, dads, families, and friends that helped us over the past couple of weeks make this possible. We could not have done it without you. Thank you for coming.
All right, we can give them a big round of applause. First, take a big bow. You guys did fantastic.